Jai Shri Gurudev. My dear students, in last class we already discussed about subtraction, okay, difference and also multiplication of the two complex numbers and their properties. Okay, next concept, division of two complex numbers. Division of two complex numbers. So let us take division of the two complex numbers. Let us consider Z1 is one complex number and Z2 is another complex number. So division of the two complex number can be represented as Z1 divided by Z2. Okay, here Z2 should not be 0. Okay, Z2 should not be 0. So it is called the division of the two complex number. Division of the two complex number is also a complex number. Let us take one example. Okay. So Z1 is equals to 1 plus I1. Z2 is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 2I1. 1 plus 2I. 1 plus 2I. Okay. Let us do Z1 divided by Z2. Z1 divided by Z2 is equals to Z1 divided by Z2 is equals to 1 plus I divided by 1 plus 2I. Okay, so you have to simplify in the form of a plus ib. A plus ib formula convert model. How it will be seen. So it can be basically multiplied and division by the conjugate of the complex number. Already told conjugate. What is the conjugate? Already told. Okay, what is the conjugate of the denominator? 1 plus 2i, 1 minus 2i, and divided by 1 minus 2. So I have to divide the conjugate. What is the conjugate of denominator? 1 plus 2i. Conjugate is 1 minus 2i. 1 minus 2i. So I have to multiply with that one and I have to division that one. Okay, and simplify it. Simplify. So 1 into 1 into minus 2i. I into 1 I. Okay. I into minus 2i. Minus 2i square divided by 1 plus 2i 1 minus 2i 1 square minus 2i whole square 1 square minus 2i whole square. See, so simplify it. 1 minus minus 2i plus I minus 2i square. I square is already told. I square equals to minus 1. Formula is there. I square equals to minus 1. Formula is there. I square equals to minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 square 1 minus 2 square 4 I square minus 1. Now simplify it. Okay, simplify it. 1 plus 2 3 minus I divided by 1 plus 4 1 minus 4 into 1 plus 4 5. Separate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 by 5 minus I by 5. Now what is the real part here? 3 by 5. What is the imaginary part? 1 by 5. Okay na? So like that we have to simplify. Okay, so 3 by 5 is the 3 by 5 is that one. Okay, 1 by 5 is the imaginary part. So therefore division of the two complex number is also a complex number. Okay, so my dear students, keep it in your mind. This is the division of two complex numbers. Like that we have to simplify in a plus ib form. We have to convert this two complex numbers division. We have to convert like this in a plus ib form. Okay. See my dear students, next concept, power of I. Already introduced now. I value root of I is equals to root of minus 1. I is equals to what? Root of minus 1. Okay. Root of the negative value. Root of minus 1. So therefore, I square. I to the power of 1. I to the power of 1. I square I square is equals to minus 1. I square is equals to what? Minus 1. I cube is equals to I square into I value होगा. I square into I square is what? Minus 1 into I. So is equals to minus I. Minus 1 into I equals to minus I. Okay. Next I to the power of 4. I to the power of 4 is equals to I square into I square. I square into I square is equals to R minus 1 into minus 1. I square minus 1, I square minus 1. So it is equals to plus 1. Okay. These are very very important concepts. These are very very important concepts. Okay na? Okay. So from this one, what you are learning is first I power 1 I square minus 1 I cube minus I to the power of 4 1. So these are the basic things. I to the power of 4. General way I will tell what is that means. I to the power of 4k, I to the power of 8 is also 1. I to the power of 12 is also 1. Okay. So multiple of 4, I to the power of multiple of 4 is nothing but 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ I to the power of 4k is equals to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is one formula is a. Okay, I to the power of 4 into k. K is the k equals to 1, k equals to 2, k belongs to natural numbers. Okay na? K belongs to natural numbers. Whole numbers correct? So k equals to 1, k equals to 2. If k equals to 1, I to the power of 4 1. If k equals to 2, I to the power of 8. If k equals to 3, I to the power of 12, like that. So multiple of 4, say multiple of 4, I to the power of 3. What is the result? Very important formula this one. I to the power of what? I to the power of 4k is equals to what? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I to the power of 4k is equals to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And I to the power of, see I will write here, see I to the power of 4k plus 1. I to the power of 4k plus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? plus 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus 1. So 4k ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I to the power of 4k into I to the power of 1. So it equals to 4k 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Put it I to the power of 4k plus 1 is equals to I. Okay, I to the power of 4k plus 2 is equals to I to the power of 4k 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ I square minus 1. So minus 1 answer. I to the power of 4k plus 2. Okay, so this is another one. Next, I to the power of 4k plus 3. So I will use minus I to the power of 4k 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ I to the power of 3 minus I. So this is another. Okay, so like that all values are repeating like this. I minus 1 like that. It is repeating. Okay, so same value it will come. So this is about the information regarding power of I. Okay, see next. So the square root of a negative real number. The square root of a negative real number already told no. So square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is equals to what? I. This is familiar. Okay now. Next here root of minus 2. Root of minus 2. How to do this one? Root of minus 2 is equals to okay. Root of minus 1 into 2. Okay. Root of minus 1 into root of minus 1 root 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Root of minus 1 is equals to I. So I root 2. So root 2I. So like that we have to write. Root of minus 2 is equals to I into root 2. Root of minus 3 I root 3. Root of minus 3 I root 3. Root of minus 4. Tell me. Root of minus 4 is what? I into root 4. I into root 4. Okay. So root of minus 5. Root of minus 5 is equals to I into root 5. I into root 5. So root of minus 6 I into root 6. Okay. So root of the negative value, the square root of the negative real number is like this. have to write like this. Okay, so minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ I ಬಂದು root 6 ಬರಬೇಕು. Root of minus 5 I into root 5. Root of minus 10 I into root 10. Okay, so I have to keep it in your mind. This concept is very 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 important. Okay, so complex numbers na ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, if both, so one formula is there, root AB is equals to root A into root B. One formula is there, no? Root AB is equals to root AB into root A into root B. Okay, it is true for both are positive, anyone is positive. Okay, if both are negative, it is not possible. Okay, ಇದು ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, CET ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. if both are negative, A and B are both are negative ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so this is not possible. root AB is not equals to root A into root B. Okay na? Next we will move to the identities. Next identities. So prove that first identities. Okay, proof is there. Z1 plus Z2 whole square. Z1 plus Z2 whole square is equals to Z1 square plus Z2 square plus 2Z1 Z2. 2Z1 Z2. Okay, so one identity is given like that. A plus B whole square formula is athara. Okay, how it will be seen. Proof. LHS. Z1 plus Z2 whole square. Z1 plus Z2 whole square is equals to Z1 plus Z2 into Z1 plus Z2. 2 times now, whole square is 2 times. Z1 plus Z2 into Z1 plus Z2. Okay, so apply the distributive law. Either apply Z1 plus Z2 into Z1 plus Z1 plus Z2 into Z1 plus Z1 plus Z2 into Z2. Z1 plus Z2 into Z2. Okay na? So like that. Now again multiply. So what that? Z1 square plus Z2 Z1 plus Z1 Z2 plus Z2 square. Okay, Z2 square. Okay, so like that first have to simplify. One property is there. Z1 Z2 is equals to Z2 Z1. Both are same now. Z1 Z2 is equals to Z2 Z1. One property is there. By using this property, ಈ property use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ property use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, both are same. Z1 Z2 both are same. So therefore you can write it as Z1 square plus Z1 Z2 plus Z1 Z2 plus Z2 square. Okay na? So add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Z1 square plus 2Z1 Z2 into Z2 square. Okay na? So like that I have to simplify. See, A plus B whole square formula ತರ A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square equals A square plus B square plus 2AB ಇದಲ್ಲ. Like that Z1 Z2. This is the complex number. These are the complex numbers. Z1 Z2 plus Z2 whole square. ಈ Z1 Z2 are what? Complex numbers. Z1 plus Z2 whole square is equals to Z1 square plus Z2 square plus 2Z1 Z2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So this is if minus is there, minus by minus. Okay, if minus is there, say Z1 square plus Z2 square minus, this is the second one, minus 2Z1 Z2. This is the second one, second identity. So Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equals to Z1 square plus Z2 square minus 2Z1 Z2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? Like that some other identities also there. See some other identities. Okay, cube identities. First one Z1 plus Z2 whole cube whole cube. So z1 plus z2 whole cube is equals to formula z1 cube plus 3z1 z2 whole square, z1 z2 whole square plus 3z1 square z1 square z2 plus z2 whole cube. So this is another formula. Okay na? So 3z1 square z2 3z1 square z2 3z1 z2 whole square plus z2 whole cube. Okay. Next identity z1 minus z2 whole cube ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. z1 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ನೋಡಿ z1 ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 3z1 z2 whole square minus ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ z2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ z2, so that's why minus. So 3z1 square z2 minus z2 whole cube like that. See, very easiest problem. Okay, easiest identity. Next, like that another one is there, third one. A square minus b square formula is there like that. z1 square minus z2 square, a square minus b square, that is the formula. A minus b, a plus b, a minus b, no, so z1 minus z2 into z1 plus z2. A square minus b square, a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b, no. So like that z1 square minus z2 square is equals to z1 plus z2 into z1 minus z2 into z1 plus z2. Yadana first one. Okay, so like that it is simplified. Okay, so these are the identities. Okay, already told. Now these are very important concepts. Identity is also very important. So my dear students, if you like this video, means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please you can ask through WhatsApp, otherwise comment below this video. Okay, thank you.